If you are under the age of 18 and watching this video, please stop now. This video content is not intended for you. Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am here with episode 2 for Try It Tuesday. And this is just a challenge that I have going for myself where I am taking my bucket list of crafts that I would like to try and marking them off by actually trying some of them. And of course, you all are welcome to join. The dates for Try It Tuesday are April 7th. Well, that one was April 21st, May 5th, and May 19th. On my update that I did, I asked if you did a video to please put the hashtag Try It Tuesday /Veronica. We can't use the slash. YouTube is obviously very sensitive. So take the slash out and put with Veronica. I am so sorry for the confusion, but we learn as we go. All right, let me jump into what I used for today's attempt. I used some of this crochet thread, some of these ribbon crimps. I think that's what they're called. This bow die, and this came from Allie. And I have some of this seam binding that I've had in my stash. I think mine came from Prairie Bird Boutique. All right, and these bows from Hobby Lobby. Some Want to Scrap bling. And the paper that I used was Flirty Fleur. I just love that collection. All right, so what I attempted to make were some tassels. Okay, so this one is the first one that I did. And this was following a tutorial by Crafty Bean. I will have it linked in the description box. She did a really, really good job explaining how she did this, but I think it turned out so cute. Oh, and I used beads from my stash as well. I would have made it a little fluffier, but this was my first attempt, so I think that turned out cute. And then this was the second one that I did following her tutorial. Super cute. And I did add a little more of the seam binding to that one. And this video tutorial will be listed in the description box as well. I saw Erica do these and she listed a tutorial that she had followed, so I will have it in the description box. But I think that turned out so cute, and that's with that crochet thread. Really liked how this one turned out. And then the last one that I tried was paper. You know, these were all the rage a couple of years ago. This one is the one I had the hardest time with out of all of them. For me, trying to roll this paper and get it tight enough was such a task. I wish you could see my trash can. But the end result is good. I would have liked for this to have been a little bit fluffier, but it still can be used on a project. And that's where I used the bow die and these beads from my stash. And here's the Want to Scrap bling. This one was really tough for me. I don't know why I couldn't get this paper rolled as tight, but that's how that one came out. And those are my tassels. So now I tried it and I can check it off my list. Let me give you a little close up here. All right. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching. And remember, you are welcome to participate if you would like to do so. And if so, be sure to include the hashtag Try It Tuesday with Veronica. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.